We are in room 4944. It is a 2-queen room. This is the standard Cosmopolitan room. Look at all of this space. It's crazy, absolutely crazy. And then we did book an accessible room, but apparently they didn't have any available, so we got a chair. So this is the bathroom, shower. Luckily for us, there's a bit of a shelf for Rich, but yeah, it's a standard shower. Double sinks. I do like that about this. Double sinks. Toilet light doesn't work. We need to get that fixed. And then all of this wasted space. It's weird. It's a serious amount of space. But like with every Cosmopolitan room, okay, we have I can't get it open. Mini fridge, which we're not touching. No, the bar, mini bar, sorry. And mini fridge, which has got our milk in. Don't touch any of that. And then this is the queen room. So we have 2 queen beds. And then drawers, which don't actually work properly. They're weird drawers. Look, that one doesn't open very far. Can't close it either. So yeah, it's all a bit weird. But we've got floor to ceiling windows. We've got the area. I guess we've got a strip view because it's down there somewhere. So yeah, that's the room. Not the best Cosmopolitan room we've had, but it's not bad.